What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share files on OneDrive. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in OneDrive. After that, you will see this website of Microsoft Personal Cloud Storage. Click on this website. And this will open the dashboard of Microsoft OneDrive. Now this is the login or sign up dashboard of Microsoft OneDrive. So if you are new to Microsoft OneDrive, you need to click on create a free account and then enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Microsoft OneDrive account. But if you already have a OneDrive account, simply click on sign in and then you will be automatically signed in to your OneDrive account. Now, after coming to the homepage of OneDrive on the left side, click on My Files and then here all your files, folders and images will appear. So select all the files and folders that you want to send by just hovering to them and then checking this checkbox like this. Let's say I want to share this file. I will just select it and I will click on the share button. Now here are multiple options to share your OneDrive file, folder or image. As you can see, the first way is to add an email or a name and then simply add a message and then click on send button. And the another way is to copy the link of this file and then paste it to anyone or anywhere that you want to send to. These are the two ways that you can share your files from OneDrive. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.